Extra, extra, have you been reading all about the changes being made to Facebook? If you haven't heard about them, but you've logged into Facebook, you've tried to do targeting through the ads manager, and you were nervous because nothing that we've talked about in our classes, whether it was a master class or an in-person class, they're not there anymore. Well, unfortunately, gang, Facebook is making a bunch of changes. I know I've already mentioned a while back that Facebook would be making changes in July and August, but they are now making additional changes to the changes they were already making. Why? Because take a look at the screen. Facebook is removing over 5,000 ad targeting options to do something very noble, and that is prevent discriminatory ads. Now, I guess this is a situation where I feel like they may be throwing the baby out with the bathwater, but we'll see. We've got to let the dust settle some. And when I say throwing out the baby with the bathwater, you know, you're supposed to get rid of the bad, keep the good, the baby's good. I know with targeting, you guys, if you've been in one of my classes or you've seen some of these videos, you know that I adore the targeting options through Facebook because we can spend as little as $1 a day to get in front of our target audiences. I've shown you some of the success stories where I have agents who are spending less than $5 and they are getting leads, bona fide leads, clients. They've walked away with listings like the following examples. But here's the problem we've had, and I've noticed it, and you know I've been talking about it too. We have had to police ourselves. Facebook has included categories that are protected classes under law, right? So race, religion, familial status, all of the big seven are included there. They just give it to you, and it has been up to the person using the site, their discretion, to pick and choose in a way that wouldn't break the law. Well, we haven't been doing it. And there have now been various charges, lawsuits brought against Facebook. In addition, guys, to all of the privacy concerns, you know, they've had to do Senate hearings. They even had, as you probably remember, a few weeks ago, their stock price dropped $1 billion with a B dollars. So Facebook is going through something, right? You know, this is where they need to mark their own status as it's complicated. Regardless, there's still a lot of ways to grow your business on Facebook, at least right now. I don't know. I've been saying this in the live classes. I don't know if a year from now, Facebook is going to be on my list of holy grail ways to grow your business effectively and inexpensively. I do not know that, but let's see where the dust is going to settle. So I know that I wanted to do a updated masterclass for you now, really around August, September of 2018, to show you all the changes that they began making in July. But now that there are more changes they're making, like what you see on the screen, I'm going to hold off. I want to wait until the dust settles a little more. We know they're going to be making changes really probably forever as long as they're in business. But I would like to wait until some of these larger changes have been finalized. So that, of course, Facebook is not the only way to grow your business. Matter of fact, this month I have also done a masterclass on 7 rules of revenue making with video marketing. So Facebook is great. But you know what? I remember the day when I used MySpace to get in front of people and grow my business. And I know some of you probably chuckled. What is MySpace? How old is MySpace? MySpace isn't even really a player anymore. It's still around, but it's not really a player anymore. Facebook may not be a player in a year. It's no big deal. As long as people exist and as long as we have eyeballs, there's a way to get in front of those eyeballs. So we'll just stick with the best methods that are effective and inexpensive. I'll see you in the next masterclass. Here's to your success.